ladies, and welcome to your Friday video. I hope that you've had a wonderful week. Today I wanted to discuss with you the importance of fabrics, what fabrics you should be wearing, so natural versus synthetic, okay? So until the turn of the century, people were wearing natural fibers because they came from animals and vegetables. And it just so happens that natural fibers are less toxic. But then, because of short supply, manufacturers had to make a plan. So they started mixing and creating synthetic fabrics. And what that means is anything synthetic or processed, as you know, becomes toxic because they've used chemicals. Now, you might not know this, but if you then put it on your body, unfortunately, it is absorbed into the skin and into your bloodstream. So it's actually harmful for your health. And that's we're not aware of. Is the fact that these dyes and plastics and chemicals that they have used to make these synthetic fabrics are actually detrimental to our health, which is alarming. Okay, so always going back to natural if you're concerned about your health. So what do we do about this? When you go out shopping, be very aware of the labels. Read the labels and see, how much of it is natural, how much of it is synthetic. Is it all synthetic? Synthetic fabrics are stretchy, they are shiny, okay, and they don't last long as they break down with exposure to UV and also with washing, exposure to chemicals. But natural fibers last longer and are far more comfortable against the skin. And now you know they're also not toxic to your health. So very, very important to remember this. So when you go shopping, please check the labels and don't always buy cheap. Rather buy less and buy quality. I really want you to give this some consideration when you are shopping. No, you're not going to go in and buy the cheap and nasty, because you know as well as I do, it doesn't feel good and it doesn't last long and it doesn't hang well. Where if you invest your money in linens, cashmeres, wools, silks, natural fibers, cottons, they sit beautifully, they last long, and they're more comfortable to wear. So that's the reason why we opt for natural fibers as opposed to synthetic, okay? So, food for thought. Think about that when you are shopping this weekend. Have a great weekend.